All right, Wednesday morning, it's me and Eddie. Well, this is me, Hattie. This is my herd of cattle. It's 1, 2, a couple of pairs of mommies and babies. And that's Eddie with his herd waiting for us at the top of the ridge. This is where we're riding. That's where we're going, and all the cattle are moving. Come on. There's Eddie doing his yaws. It's just like keeping a bunch of third graders moving down the hall. We're riding with Greg Flitner today, who's one of the ranch owners here, not part of the guest operation, so he's a real live cowboy. Yeah, not bad for an office, huh? That's a bull. I gotta get those cows out here. Down there. Here's the bull. I think he's a little pissed. Alright. Hi, cows. We are headed with these cows back the way we came. So we gotta push them all the way up to the top. And then those aspens. Here's a rooster. He's pretty pokey today. He's gonna get his ass kicked if he doesn't pick up the pace a little bit. See you soon. Alright, we're pushing him. There's our wrangler Ben. Mindy and Rick. We're moving all the cows over the hill. I don't know if you can get the perspective, but that's the road. Alright. This is where we're leaving them. Here come some stragglers. There's Mindy. Hey, Mindy! Yeah. Wave! Alright. There's Eddie. I don't know where he's going. Oh, there's Paul. There's Peter and Ben. Oh, is that who this is?
Yes. Oh, yeah. He's usually the one that I like. Careful. Maybe you want to get up brakes for a second? Because I don't want to. Go back, Cooper. Come on. Look what you need to focus on again. Go back.
What's the new name for a girl? For a boy? I was for sure I thought it was Coco Chanel or something.